Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts, and the S&P 500 looking nice and strong. We're only looking at this for correlations, and the Dixie weak. That's how we like it. Nasdaq strong, consolidating a little bit over here, close to all-time high, I believe. Yeah, the Dixie nice and weak. What we basically want, is get below this line over here, the bottom line over here. That is what we want. This trend line obviously broke on a smaller time frame, but we want to get below this level again, and that is what we're looking at. The S&P 500 is really, by the way, let's take a quick look, is really high. This is what we're looking at, and this is a monster weekly close. Resistance will be over here, I expect. So yeah, that is if you're trading it where I would take profit. Bitcoin is still in consolidation mode. Let me grab the chart of Bitcoin over here. Maybe we have a higher time frame chart over here. I mean, this is basically where we're at still, on a higher time frame. We're on the 1 hour. It's not that high, but we either want to break this one, or right now this one over here, and we're basically between these two, and that is all that matters now for Bitcoin. I had a small long from the bottom over here. You could see that on my Twitter, but right now I went flat today, closed really nice near the highs over there, and left the house. We'll probably not trade for the weekend, just because we're consolidating over here. Might look into some alts. Saturdays are just not really a good day to trade Bitcoin. Sundays either, so might even trade on Sunday again the ES Open or the CME gap, if we get a CME gap. That is what I'm looking at right now. It is not looking that bad. Looking at the fundings and premiums, basically having discounts, premiums, it's really tight. Just lower highs and higher lows. We're getting very tight, and we will get a very big breakout soon. If I have to bet, I would say upside. This one, something in that area. This is what I'm looking at basically. So we can have some more days, but I would say 24th of April, before that day we have a breakout, and it will be a really big move. It will be at least a 20k move, so make sure you are ready. Until then, I will chill out a little bit or watch for altcoins. Ethereum, same kind of thing. Lower high, higher low. It's just waiting. That is it for me. And in the meantime, we look at alts, and alts are rocking the boat. Even like the bad alts, I would say, from 2017 are doing it. This is what we're looking at for BNB, getting very tight in a rising wedge. I mean, I wouldn't say top. It can go a lot way higher. Yeah, fundamentally nothing wrong with it. I don't like Binance, but that's a different thing. Litecoin, I mean, on a higher time frame, it is looking perfect over here. Target would still be $400, but I mean, I am not really liking this, to be honest. Seeing this, broke through this one. Bit of a rising wedge, and broke to the downside. Yeah, I'm not trading Litecoin anymore. I did do it over here and I had a lot of fun doing it, but I'm out of Litecoin. They touched this resistance over here and rejected of it. Bullish thing would be if they manage to make a higher low. So this is really the level for Litecoin to hold. If it breaks 212, get out of Litecoin, just sell it. Look for the next one. Monero, we're on the daily, looking quite good over here. They're coming for, well, the second tap over here. We're on the daily, very high time frame, but if they manage to break this one, close the daily high a bit higher than this point over here, they will go to the upside. And target, you know, will be first 375. After that, it will be 450, I would say. Looking very good. This is on the daily for XRP. XRP is very good to day trade. Do not become a bag holder of XRP because fundamentals are just bad. But scalping this one while Bitcoin is consolidating has been basically free money for me. I'm a trader. I look for easy stuff to trade, and on the lower time frames this stuff is so good to trade. Right now on the hourly I'm seeing a break of this one, you know, it's perfect to trade on lower time frame. It's really good to trade on Bybit as well. It's really easy to get limit fills, catch rebates, and it moves so quick. You do it low leverage because it moves a lot of percentages. So look, if you're doing a 10x, you know, like you do on Bitcoin, for example, do not do it on XRP because XRP will liquidate you pretty quick. Sign up link is in the video description. You get some extra rewards in the rewards hub, up to $200 or more if you deposit, well, over a Bitcoin, and that's not what everybody does, I believe, nowadays. I mean, yeah, XRP is really good, you know, like you just trade it day by day and hour by hour. And if you want to know how to trade, you know, I'm selling a little course in it. Teaches you everything you need to know and a little bit extra. Talking about liquidity as well and funny tricks to see it pretty easily with your naked eye. Instead of using weird indicators and stuff like that. Solana grinding up in a rising wedge. Not looking bad, looking very good. And by the way, Bitcoin is looking very good over here as well. I'm pretty sure this will go to the upside. And I mean, over here, you know, we had at the top, we had high premiums again. And they're completely nuked already. That's so good. Basically, what I always look at is fundings and premiums. Over here, we had to stop over here on the 21st of, a few days ago. We had this stop over here, and you can see it. Premiums and fundings go up immediately. Everybody's long, and then you have like a lot of liquidity to the downside again. And then you become at the bottom, you know, and bottom is basically everybody's shorting the bottom, and then we go back up. And that is basically how it works. And that was, you know, the case over here as well. We saw very high funding going down a little bit and then spiking it up. And that is when you call it up. So that is how I'm trading it. Bitcoin will definitely break up. I'm pretty sure of that. Saturdays are not a good day to trade it, but looking at other charts now, I'm looking at 8 browsers at the moment. I'm feeling very good, and I think Bitcoin will make new daily highs. Sorry, stuff can change really quickly. Bitcoin is looking good right now. Target will be first one, this one. What is that? 59, 300-ish. Then this one will come, and that's 60k basically. If we break 60k, we will go very, very high. A lot of build up tension, I would say, and it's looking very good. If Bitcoin breaks out, make sure you get out of Litecoin, XRP, and coins like that, because do not become a bag holder. That's all I'm gonna say. If you want to trade them, scalp them. It's really good to scalp them on Bybit, but do not become a bag holder, because their fundamentals are worthless. Like, they should be zero, to be honest. They're just high caps and they're good to trade. That's why I'm in them. Do not become a bag holder. That's like the biggest warning I want to get out there. Yeah, make sure to subscribe and let me know what you guys want to see in the videos. If you want to contact me, go to my YouTube page and about. Then you can watch my email address over here and can always send me an email. So, see you guys again tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. And happy trading.